Hey guys, this is Ted from Tyr, and I have something very special for you today. This one-of-a-kind snare drum head. Now, I used it back in 2019 at the Tour from Hell in North America. So, as you can see, it's signed by the whole band, and well, it shows all kinds of artistic masterpieces, as you can see. So even Attila's signature is over there, so it's really one of a kind. Gunnar's, here it is, and mine. And this masterpiece over here, I think, might be Gunnar's because it's anatomically quite correct, if I can say so. This snare drum head you can win if you sign up to our Patreon channel at patreon.com/tyrband. With a little luck, this one will be yours in a couple of weeks. So head over there and sign up. See you. Bye-bye.